Well, this is just gonna be peasy. Look how much health he isn't losing. Look how easy things are to dodge. Uh-oh. He does different stuff. Paul, why are you running away as if you know that's what you're supposed to do? I bet you have played this before. No. No, I haven't. What? How did you know you were supposed to do that, Paul? I didn't. Leave me alone. I always act as if that's what I expect people to say, but I know you're all very loyal, and you wouldn't really accuse me of such nonsense. So, what now? Oh! I don't think the laser even hurts you. I was under the impression this game was challenging. No, the laser doesn't hurt you. You have so much time. Come on then, just follow me. Tomato soup? Yeah. Well, someone's a bit dead. No, what an idiot. What an easy boss. Oh, he's got little wings. He's like Drakaya. Except far less sexy. Oh no. No hit run ruined. That's not even that good for him. Neither is that. Whatever. Ah, now what? Oh, whatever. Oh. That's okay. It's just all over the level. Rather peasy. I kinda want to get all my ammo back, but oh well. I should have done that. Oh, apparently I got my health back at some point. Moo! Uh-oh, I was in mid-jump when that happened. Am I gonna die? No. Where am I? Well, I guess I can go and get all my ammo again anyway. Now, if that wasn't skill, I don't know what was. I think you'll have to admit, no one would do that boss better than me on their first try. They probably would. Some people have probably done it without getting hit, but I almost did anyway. Oh no, not an info bot.
I wonder what that info bot is for.
Probably info. Oh, great. Oh no, it's a cutscene.
We're pinned down! The ships are hammering our position from the air! That was a little too close! We need support! Now! Actually, I need support. My entire battalion would able enough me to fight this war on my own. If the enemy doesn't kill those guys, I will. I'm not going to last much longer. Requesting immediate assistance. Over and out.
Oh, good.
Those are direct ships destroying that planet. We must help that commando.
Are you serious? That's it. I am out of here. Captain Quark is going to be sorry he messed with me.
This is not about Captain Quark anymore. There are innocent lives being lost.
Yeah?
How?
Well, I'm done with this stupid hero stuff.
Did my
I got
ship?
my own agenda now.
Ratchet, this
Wait.
is not like you.
It's not my ship.
What do you know about me? You've spent this whole time looking for Quark. You don't know anything about me.
I know that you will do the right thing.
Well, right now the thing I want to do is find Quark.
Drama! Not in
Let's
my
start
game.
This stupid thing.
Have you forgotten? You need a robotic ignition system.
Oh.
I will start the ship if you agree to help that commando.
So, blackmail is it? Fine. Just shut up and start the ship.
So moody.
Back so soon?
Oh, you're talking to me.
I'm not in the habit of talking to myself, you buffoon. Did you get rid of them?
Yes. No. Well, I had this plan, and I thought...
You thought? You thought? I do the thinking around here, you slug-brained idiot. I simply needed you to eliminate those two nuisances before they could cause any real trouble. But I wanted to... Do you still want to be the highly paid spokesman for my planet?
Yeah?
Then the next time I send you to do a job, I want results. Now get out of my sight.
What do you mean results? You tricked us. Yeah. Maybe maybe all ships in this world need robots. Chunk.
Add attention, you deserting maggot. The next time you soldiers try to go AWOL, I'll shoot you myself.
Look, I just want to...
Zip it, worm! You see those bombers? If you don't get to the turrets and knock those ships out of the sky, this whole planet's gonna be rubble. Meet me at the city entrance.
He needs our help.
Yeah? Why don't you go help him? Into another trap. Well, go on. Go fight some evil.
Just calm down.
At least I'm not a coward.
Oh.
Whatever. As soon as I find Quark, I'm selling you for scrap.
There's a green goo planet. I don't know. But I want to go there too. Just because green is a good colour. And it beats falling into mud, which looks like stuff. Weapon.
I got some great bargains for you today.
I think I've heard of the Devastator, but I might be thinking of another game. I guess I'll get it. Yeah, I guess I will. Probably get some of that as well. As in all of it.
Oh, that's a nice one.
No, it isn't. Ta-da! It has a crosshair. It does let me see the crosshair, never mind. We'll try it. Oh yeah, Duke Nukem, that's what I'm thinking of it. Then again, Devastator just kind of sounds like a powerful weapon in the first place, as well. Yeah, forget the sucky gun. It's a bit sucky. Oh wait, that was the Devastator. Bugger. That was easy. Random platform sticking out for no reason. Well, this way looks a lot easier, so I think I'll go this way first. Did he die? Dunno. Oh no, enemies have increased range now. Skills, I can do that too. Wait. Yeah, I thought so. I don't know what that was. Oh, there's no point shooting those enemies, they're too easy. Oh, bolt! Oh. I'm gonna have to get it. Because it looks like I could probably get over there. Oh, if you would hover at the highest... Wait, what's that? Trespass. On my territory. Oh. I don't want to do this again. There's nowhere it can be. Right. I guess... there. Good. I can only keep doing that accidentally. To some extent. Because sometimes the red looks like green. And vice versa. Because being colourblind sucks.